Hello neighbors, and hello everybody. I got this Cub Cadet here yesterday, and this thing was not firing up. The owner said he was able to get it started once, started up and bogged out and died. Once I got this thing taken apart, I noticed that there's a leak right here on one of the valve covers here. And then it was leaking fuel. It actually still is from the bottom of. So I was able to get him a new carburetor. Apparently he replaced the brand new spark plug on it. He put a new fuel filter on it, but this one does not have a fuel shutoff anywhere in the line. I'm going to try to put one for him right now. So what I'll be doing today is putting a fuel shutoff, putting a new carburetor, putting a new gasket, doing an oil change on it, and of course we're going to replace all the gaskets for the carburetor side and get this thing fired up. After this one is done, I'll take a look at its belts, make sure the belts are good. Also, we will be replacing the air filter. The air filter is in very bad condition, so customer asked me to replace that. That's what I'm going to change. This one here is going to need just a maintenance. I'm going to end up changing filter, spark plug, oil change, and clean up the filter housing all the way down. It's very dirty. And of course clean the mower here and give it back. The next one we got here is also a simple maintenance. This one, I think it requires the air filter channel cleaned really badly, because see what happens is when people use cheap filters, a lot of dirt. Those filters are not good to clean microparticles. So you can look inside. You can see that is what is gumming up inside, and that is after the filter is installed, and you can see inside the filter is taking a dirt. So good filter costs more money, but it does better cleaning. Cheap filters cost less money, it causes more problems. So this guy will be getting oil filter changed, fuel filter changed, new oil. I'll check the plugs, maybe I'll change his plugs, check all the belts, and I think I replaced the pump on this one not long ago, so pump's good, battery was good, and that's all. I'm going to take care of this today. You got another John Deere showing up. I think there he is right now. He's dropping it off. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll make a video of the work on this guy, show you step by step how to replace these things, which is straightforward, not a lot of work, but I still think not everybody knows how to do this. That's why they watch these videos, so I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more contents. Thank you.